Hello my dear children, how are you? I think you all are very fine. Okay children, today we are going to read your second lesson SGP2 of your second lesson, the Jackal and the Rooster. आज हमें Jackal and Rooster रो SGP2 पढ़ना. SGP2 SGP माने पिला माने साइंस ग्रुप पारा किछि किछि गोटे मेन आइडिया को नहीं गोटे गोटे पैराग्राफ लिखाई गोटे बा दुटा पैराग्राफ को मिसई कि भी गोटे गोटे एसजीपी कराई तो सही एसजीपी आम 1 पढ़ी सारीचे बुझी सारीचे आज आम पढ़ा SGP2. ओके चिल्ड्रेन, इन SGP1 वी नो दैट देयर वाज ए big handsome rooster and he has a crown on his head, so he felt like a king. And every morning he got up very early, sat on a high place and sang non-stop cock-a-doodle-doo. गंजाटी कौन करूला भारी सुंदर गंजाटी थिला तार गोटे चूड़ थिला मुंडरे से कौन करूला ना सकाळे उठी आसिक डेली नॉनस्टॉप गाउला गीत गाउला कोकोडोडोडो and he knew that his song was much better than the song of the other roosters in his locality. Still he wanted to make his song better, louder and clearer. से जानिथिला ता गीतटा अन्य गंजा मानक ठारू भलो थिला, तथापि से चाहुथिला ता गीत को आहुरी सुंदर, आहुरी उच्च स्वर रे आहुरी भलो करबो बोली, आहुरी सफा क्लियर करबो बोली. बट इट वाज ए प्रॉब्लम फॉर हिम that how to do it. केमिति करिवो, केमिति से ता गीत को आहुरी सफा सुंदर भलो करिवो से जानि नथिला. इट वाज ए प्रॉब्लम फॉर हिम, ता पई गोटे प्रॉब्लम थिला. एंड इट वाज ए प्रॉब्लम फॉर हिम till a jackal suggested a way out. एटा ता पई प्रॉब्लम हे कि थिला जते पर्यंत गोटे jackal ता गोटे सजेशन दे नथिला. एंड व्हाट वाज द सजेशन ऑफ द jackal? The jackal saw him every morning. ताको प्रतिदिन सकाळे jackal देखुथिला. But he thought, the jackal thought, if he will try to catch the rooster would fly away to the tree. जदि से गंजा को धरिबा को चेष्टा करिवो ताले गंजा का होतो गछ पड़ी जीवो. So he thought a plan. He came to the rooster. से rooster पाखु आसिला कौन कहला से कहला he said, oh handsome king like rooster. से कहला oh great king like great handsome and king like rooster. ता कौन कहला तो महान और राजा बड़ी दिसुथिबा सुंदरिया गंजा. योर सॉन्ग विल बी रियली नाइस. तुमर गीतटा प्रकृति सुंदर हो पारिबो इफ यू सिंग क्लोजिंग योर आईज. जदि तुमे गीतटा को कौन करिवो आखि बंद करी गीत गाइबो. गंजा कौन कला, गंजा को से कौन प्रस्ताव देला? The jackal suggested the rooster to sing closing its eyes. आखि बंद करी गीत गाइबा को प्रस्ताव देला. So the problem of the rooster was solved. तार सब प्रॉब्लम जो थिला सॉल्व हो गला. तापरे कोन हला will the rooster close its eyes while singing? जतबे गीत गाइला ता परठू गंजा कौन आखि बंद करी गीत गाइला कि श्योर से कौन कला आम देखा. रीड द नेक्स्ट पार्ट कौन सी आम पढ़ा SGP2 पढ़ा और जाना जे प्रकृत में कौन है. लेट अस रीड इट. फर्स्ट आई विल रीड द SGP2 फॉर यू एंड यू शुड फॉलो मी विथ योर बुक. द rooster closed his eyes and sang louder and clearer cock-a-doodle-doo. Then snap! The jackal caught the rooster by its neck and ran away. The owner of the rooster judged behind. His wife and sons joined him, also joined his neighbors. But the jackal was much ahead of those running behind. The rooster in the meantime said, Mr. Jackal, I am so happy to be with you. Without walking, I am walking. Without flying, I am flying. What a great feeling! And my owner is a miser. He never gives me anything to eat. Why don't you tell this to them? Dear children, I will read the paragraph again for you and you should follow me. ମୁଁ ତୁମମାନଙ୍କ ପାଇଁ ଆଉ ଥରେ ଏହାକୁ ପଢ଼ି ଦେଉଛି। ତୁମେମାନେ ଭଲ ଭାବରେ ଦେଖ, ବହି ଖୋଲି ଦେଖ ମୁଁ କେମିତି ପଢ଼ୁଛି। ଆଉ ପଢ଼ିବା ସମୟରେ ପ୍ରପର୍ ପ୍ରୋନାଉନ୍ସିଏସନ୍ ଏବଂ ପଙ୍କ୍ଚୁଏସନ୍ ଏସବୁ ପ୍ରତି ତୁମେମାନେ ଧ୍ୟାନ ଦେବ। ବିରାମ ଚିହ୍ନ ସଠିକ୍ ଉଚ୍ଚାରଣ ପ୍ରତି ଧ୍ୟାନ ଦେବ। ଓକେ। The rooster closed his eyes and sang louder and clearer, cock-a-doodle-doo, then snap. The jackal caught the rooster by its neck and ran away. The owner of the rooster chased behind. His wife and sons joined him, also joined his neighbors. But the jackal was much ahead of those running behind. The rooster in the meantime said, Mr. Jackal, I am so happy to be with you. Without walking, I am walking. Without flying, I am flying. What a great feeling! And my owner is a miser. He never gives me anything to eat. Why don't you tell this to them? Okay, children? You will read the SGP to this paragraph again and again at your home so that you could understand the paragraph. Next, I will explain the SGP2 or this paragraph for you. At the time of explaining, I will tell you the meaning of new words and some functional grammars and some functional grammars. You should follow it. The rooster closed his eyes and sang louder and clearer. What did the rooster do? The rooster closed his eyes and sang. आखि बंद करी रोस्टर गीत गाइला लाउडर एंड क्लियरर जोर रे और सफा होली सफा भाବରେ कको डबल डबल देन स्नैप हठात किना ताकू देखिए धरि नेला स्नैप लगे द जैकल कॉट द रोस्टर बाय इट्स नेक जैकल कोन कला ताकू व्हाट डिड द जैकल डू द जैकल caught the rooster by its neck. पंजार बेक पाखरु जैकल कोन कला धरि नेला and ran away. दौड़ी पळेला. The owner of the rooster chased behind. The owner of the rooster chased behind. Rooster ro owner तार मालिक owner माने मालिक पंजार मालिक कोन कला chased behind. Chase माने होची गोड़ेइबा फास्ट टेंस है chased गोड़ेइला बुझि बचो नहीं सेमती caught catch रो फास्ट टेंस catch धरिबा धरिला chased गोड़ेइला The owner of the rooster chased behind माने बिले पछरे The rooster रो जो ओनर का जो मालिक से पछे पछे गोड़ेइला का पछे पछे behind the jackal. His wife and sons joined him. His wife and sons joined him. ता सहित के जोग देले the owner रो तार wife and sons owner रो मालिक रो स्त्री एवं पुओ माने ता सहित जोग देले also joined his neighbors. तांकर जो neighbors पड़ोसी पड़ोशी माने तांकर पड़ोशी माने मध्य जोग देले नेबर्स माने पड़ोशी but the jackal was much ahead of those running behind but the jackal was much ahead jackal किंतु बहुत आगरे थिला ahead jackal बहुत आगरे थिला of those running behind जो माने पछरे दौड़ी थिले तांकोटु से बहुत आगरे थिला so that they could not catch him समान तक धरि पालेनी The rooster in the meantime said. In the meantime, सही समय मध्यरे the rooster said. Rooster कहला कौन कहला Mr. Jackal, I am so happy to be with you. I am so happy to be with you. तुम सହିତ ରହିକି ମୁଁ ବହୁତ ଖୁସି ଅଛି. Without walking, I am walking. बिना ଚାଲିବାରେ ମଧ୍ୟ ମୁଁ ଚାଲୁଛି. Without flying, I am flying. बिना उड़ीबारे ମଧ୍ୟ ମୁଁ ଉଡୁଛି. अरे ताको jackal धरिକି नहीं होची ना. से कहूची जे मु तो निजे चालुनी किंतु मु चालुची मु निजे उडुनी किंतु मु उडुची व्हाट ए ग्रेट फीलिंग कि सुंदर अनुभूति कि बड़ा कि महान अनुभूति कि बड़ा अनुभूति एंड माय ओनर इज ए माइजर मालिकटा इज ए माइजर मीन्स कृपण माइजर है कृपण से क्या किसी दिए कहती माइजर माय ओनर इज ए माइजर मो मालिकटा गोटे कृपण कि नेवर गिव्स मी एनीथिंग टू इट से मत केबे भी किसी खाइबा को दिए भारी कृपणटे व्हाई डोंट यू टेल दिस टू देम तुम्हें कहीं एक कथा से मानको कहि दउ ना द रोस्टर एक कथा कहला कौन कहला विदाउट फ्लाइंग आई एम फ्लाइंग विदाउट वॉकिंग आई एम वॉकिंग What a great feeling! कितने सुंदर अनुभूति. And my owner is a miser. Never gives me anything to eat. समझे कैबे किसी खाइबा को दिए. And why don't you tell them this? तुम्हें कहाँ की एक कथा से मानो को कोई दो ना. से मानो की कथा कोई दो ना. से माने कहाँ गोड़े जनी माँ बचरे फेरी जिबे. Okay children. I think you understand the paragraph. And then you will read again and again at your home and try to answer the comprehension questions. The questions are: did the rooster sing closing its eyes? Did the rooster sing closing its eyes? Yes, the rooster sang closing its eyes. Second question: what did the jackal do? What did the jackal do? The jackal caught the rooster by its neck and ran away. The jackal caught the rooster by its neck and ran away. Who ran after the jackal? Who ran after the jackal? The owner of the rooster, his wife, his sons and his neighbors ran after the jackal. Why did they chase the jackal? Why did they chase the jackal? They chased the jackal to save the rooster. To save the rooster. Why couldn't they catch the jackal? Why could not they catch the jackal? The jackal was much ahead, so that they could not catch. Or they could not catch the jackal because the jackal was much ahead of them. Why did the rooster say that it was happy to be with the jackal? Why did the rooster say that it was happy to be with the jackal? कहीं की रोस्टर कहला जे से jackal सहित रही की खुशी अच्छी. The rooster said that it was happy to be with the jackal because he thought a plan to escape from the jackal. jackal पाखर रक्षा पाइबा उपाय पांचुला से कौन सतरे खुशी था नो नेवर वाज इट रियली हैप्पी और टेलिंग ए लाई एटा कौन सतरे खुशी थिला पंजा कौन सतरे खुशी थिला ना टेलिंग ए लाई एटा मिछ कहउतला इट वाज नॉट रियली हैप्पी इट वाज टेलिंग ए लाई to be safe from the jackal or to escape from the jackal. Jackal पाखर रक्षा पाइबा से कौन करथिला मिछ कहउतला न. What did it say about its owner? What did it say about its owner? It said that his owner was a miser and he never gives anything to it. What did the rooster ask the jackal to do? What did the rooster ask the jackal to do? Jackal को कौन करिया पे rooster कहला? The rooster asked the jackal to say his owner what he said. जहाँ से कहला से कथा सब ता ओनर को कहि देबा पई कहला. The rooster asked the jackal to say his owner what he said, or to tell his owner what he said. Okay children, in next video we will read SGP 3 and we will practice this lesson, this SGP at your home again and again. And in next video we will read the SGP 3 and it is all for today. Okay children, thank you, goodbye.